Now well done, my country people. Now me, una own boy, Don Mambo. Now me, I come here today for this news review for wetin don happen for Obodo, Nigeria. See, before we begin to eat the news one after the other, if you know say you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, make you go hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon wey dey near am, make you hit am too. Anytime I upload a new video, you go be the first to watch am. And for my Facebook, your state there, Don Mambo Comedy News and Entertainment. Then anytime I upload a new video, you go be the first to be notified. Yes, more quickly they eat the news when make us dey here today. For Nigeria, one commercial driver dey come with food items he wan go for supply. Then na armed robber na dem catch am for road. When dem hold am, dem begin dey packing am. Dem pack things from the vehicle. Na food items na dem come begin dey pack now. Then you go see say man, the country now don dey go somehow because no provision for food because of this coronavirus issue. Na make am be like that. So e not get the way the big pass. Make I quickly dey show na the video.
It's gotten so bad now. This man was just driving with foodstuffs on the road, you know, and he got attacked. You can see that. He was going to make his supplies. He got attacked. On a broad daylight, they blocked him. They blocked him. They took away the yams in the car. On a broad daylight. This is how bad it's going to become very soon. You know, it's a message for everybody to understand. He got robbed. Look at him. They bust the glass. They removed food from the car. They removed the yams and everything from the car. You can see that. You understand?
I believe say una don't watch that video. Una go see say na hungry na im make those guys come out because of lack of no provision. But they say they share money. We not go fit testify of who really be beneficiary for the money when they share. The person for another country when get benefit, see wetin talk.
Nigerian government, Buhari, where you know if you give your citizen ordinary 30,000 naira, maybe for the same for the poster. Never our country with this, so you see what you will get for inside poster, let's go punish on them. And I don't craze Nigerian government ogun go kill on Buhari from president to councillor. Ogun go kill on anything when I gather for in the morning for my life, and I go use in the night, and I go use crime, go sell on throw in Jesus' name. When I go, when I remember Abiola, when I remember Babangida, and I see we know. You see, I see money they give us more than 300,000 Nigerian money. Now they sure give us now. No be our country.
Una see in when they other man country, then if it get benefit. But people when they Nigeria, not still get common 1,000 naira. That's so bad. Make we dey do am small. One pastor, he don't vex for people when donate to federal government. The pastor vex. As he vex, begin to talk to them. And if una really look am, una go see say our bankers, people when really get money, when go they donate, they give federal government, they don't know what they really do. Because now, we all know now say fire don't still enter Treasury House for Abuja.
Oh my God, Treasury House is on fire and the Nigerians, they can't do anything about it. Oh my goodness. Our national resource is going.
Just how many kilometers away? Less than 5 kilometers for the Ghana. So by service. Less than 5 kilometers.
We are glad for emphasis. Our data center is intact. It's not harmed in any way, except for the cooling system, which we are now working hard to put back to use, to put back to operation. And we are glad again, no casualty, no human casualty. Our physical records can be easily replaced because we have them online, real time.
So may I still show now the video.
Seen in the church today, we are seeing the word has entered the church. The church has gone back to the word. What am I saying? You are banking in First Bank. First Bank carried billions. go give federal government. UBA carry billions, go give federal government. Jordan Bank carry billions, go give federal government. And we that are backing with you people, hey, you could not give us 5,000. You are giving it to government. Where are all the money that they took from Abacha? Where are all the money that crime was recovered? Where are all the money that EFCC recovered? Behave. And tomorrow you will tell me to come and put my money in your stupid bank. May God punish you and your GM. Yes, sir. Any Nigeria that will go and give federal government money, go and collect it. Go and collect it. We not send you. Now you're good, now I go kill you. If you, I go on my knee to pray. If you carry money, go give government. May they take help people for Nigeria. That your good night go kill you. That your company go close. Big abatai obase. To my get way back. Otaga mwipedi. Ega ilaebe. Akwaraga kwiri. Oluwe yamwe. Apoli moe. Ekwelele.
Pastor in life for waiting in talk, me I give am thumbs up because waiting talk na confirm matter. How would you imagine person when you dey bank with, when e be say every of your details dey with am, they not fit dey send the money like na 5,000 naira, na dem check give all their customers. All of them go benefit from it, but then go carry the money, then go give federal government. But if they want withdraw your money, then go know your account number take go. If they want send you message, say they don't withdraw your money, then go know your phone number. They send you money, they send you message. But now federal government, now they can't go give money. My people. Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, he don't pass on. He don't go to the land when they call Tindai Kingdom come. Now Femi Adesina, na he announce for a Twitter handle say Abba Kyari, he don't go. And now then they consider Baba Gana Kingibe. And then they talk about the things when he don't do for the past during the time of them MKO Abiola. So make we go to the other news. Wednesday makers day here today. Reaction to the boy when soldier kill for Warri Delta State. So they don't talk, say they don't arrest the two soldiers when he say then go rape and then go kill people for Warri Delta State. So make una listen to wetin one Nigerian talk during that period.
Nigerians, the world was not just this morning. I was talking about the need why the government should make provision for the people to eat. That is not easy for one to stay in a place without food for too long, because the politicians, Okowa, the governor of that state under the PDP party, they already have food stored in their houses. They have drinks, everything. They now expect the people to comply to stay at home. They not make food available, that those who have food to sell within the area, they already inflated their prices because the demand is higher than the supply that they have. Now, someone has been killed. Someone has been shot dead, shot twice. Because he went out to go and because he was going to get food for his family. Just between the distance between, let's say, 5 to 10 kilometers, Ubeji to Obuangwe, the soldier chased him. Soldier that was on checkpoint, they stopped him to ask him definitely where he's coming from, which we expect every responsible person to do. So it was, as on the way stopping, or about to stop, they released a fire at him through the door that pierced his waist. Then the guy was going to try to be smart, like, this guy is going to kill us. I think there were two of his friends with him. So he had to start running with the car, like he drove out, and the soldier man stopped a vehicle that was coming from that side and used that vehicle to chase after this guy. They shot his tires and he ran into a Varenka's close or street on the Boangwe. There he had to stop and call. He was running on the empty wheel and he came down to run for his dear life and they shot him in a close range. Then he died. Look, this one will not end like Ogbe Onokpite that was killed in the time of Udwara's government. That if the Olu of Warri, whose subject has been murdered in Inos territory in Buangwe, and the NYC, the Shekiru Youth Council, under the leadership of Comrade Agbas, did not act on this, including the government not doing anything about this, Buhari not doing anything about this, then I will be compelled, on behalf of my family, the Pemus family, to join the Pesu family, and we'll go into war with the government. Even though if we're going to die, let us die, because we don't even know who's going to die next. Because if this stay at home continue for the next 2 weeks and the government will not provide food for the people, not give them electricity, the people will be compelled to come out. For we will rather die by the bullet, killed by the governor, the president, or whoever that is going to give that law, than being killed by starvation in our houses because we do not have food to eat. Enough is enough. May God punish you all.
Una go see say wetin happen during that time when they take kill this boy. E all make me go remember one video when e be say it happened for Uganda when policemen wan still arrest one lady. Then begin the pumpy, the touch, you know. So abeg make una watch this video.
Please, you people.
The manner in which FDC's women's league leader Ingrid Turinawi was recently arrested has sparked a public...
Do you print press? Huh? You want press or to keep
Okay, be calm.
Do you want
Be calm,
press?
you're out of order.
You're out of order. Why do you pitch press? Kairaka must come out and apologize for mothers.
Be calm.
You all failed. You have to apologize. You all failed on mothers. You violated. You humiliated. You all failed on our rights. We are the nation.
Una see say Africa mentality no go lie change. When they talk about stay at home, una not provide, una believe say everybody like this, so go your day house without if you go buy wetin in one hit again. So now be the thing. So make we go to the other news because I say we want your doing. No be small casala for Ofia. The youth when they for Ofia, they don't vex. Then begin enter police station. Then they begin to destroy police cars. They put fire. They destroy the office. Then set people when they inside prison free. So make una watch am. Make una see wetin happen for Ofia.
Please, we will defeat them. We'll make sure that we burn this station to ashes. But to release all of them. They cannot do it. As you can see, these people are just coming out from cell. They 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 were detained. They were detained. They were detained. And you can see we have released all of them. We have released them. We have released them. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. We have released them. We have released them. As you can see, they are coming out from cell. They are coming out from cell. They are coming out from cell. We have released them. They have their liberty to go. They have their free liberty to go. You can go.
Una go see say our soldiers, our police, terrorists, they not defeat, go combat them. But the normal citizens, when it be say, it not get what they do, it not get crime when they do, now then they always they go for. Boko Haram they there, they never fit solve them. You see Chadian, when it be say man, when it not big rich ordinary Lagos State or Warri or Edo State, now begin to defeat Boko Haram people. As you see, now they don't say make them stop, say it not concern Chadian for this issue. The Chadian don't still conclude to still leave them, make them fight their fight. For Edo State, bomb explosion for inside Edo.
A bomb has exploded at the residence of factional state secretary of the All Progressives Congress in Edo State, Lawrence Oka. The bomb shattered a part of the building and dug a hole in the ground. No life was lost in the attack. The team of police anti-bomb squad was at the residence at about 8 a.m. to remove the unexploded explosive. Oka said the incident happened at about 12:30 a.m. Chieftains of the APC, such as Pastor Osaze Ize Yamu, Dr. Pius Odubo, and others were at the residence for solidarity.
My country people, now the Tory, when it be, say, I bring comfort una today, now him be this. So before I go, I say, make una try, make una subscribe to my YouTube channel, make una hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon when they near am, make una hit am too. Anytime I upload a new video, you go be the first person when you go be, say, you go receive am. So for my Facebook, you're right, Don Mambo Comedy, News and Entertainment. Now me, I stand for there to the battle. So anytime when you follow me, make una press the like button. So now see me there. Then now they see una too. As una they follow me up. God go bless una. As I want to go, so I go live una with this beautiful tune. When it be say one of our brothers sing this song of the year. Now me don't give him the award. I don't give him the award of the year. Now him winner. So nobody go follow am drag am. So it make me remember our Baba Fela. Thank you. Peace up. Amaro here.
And they know. And I don't need to let you know before you know.
It's M. Josh on the beat.
When Guru never show, they say he don't show. Say tell them man, inter Lagos, country getting plenty doctors. Money come fly, doctor come cure. When Guru come show, hospital close. Everybody running, church shuts down. Professional doctors, inter go smooth. Make it don't show for the big man house. Hospital nadago, facilities nadago, education nadago, power supply na zero. Now Guru don't show for area. News headline don't talk. Say chief of staff don't carry. Say governors don't carry. Say ministers don't carry. Say senators don't carry. If you like president don't carry. But rich and poor go suffer this thing. Hospital they no get. Facilities they no get. 9.1 billion for pocket. Professional doctors inter goes to London hospital close doors. When Guru never show, they say he don't show. Say tell them man, inter Lagos, country getting plenty doctors. Money come fly, doctor come cure. Just welcome to Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
Animal City.
Animal City.
I welcome to Animal Country.
Animal Country.
Zoological Kingdom.
Zoological Kingdom.
Welcome to Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
Animal City.
Animal City.
Welcome to Animal Country.
Animal Country.
Welcome to Zoological Kingdom.
Zoological Kingdom.
Headache.